Learning Toolkit.
Let's learn all about the most famous dinosaur ever, Tyrannosaurus Rex. How do you say that again? Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's often called T-Rex for short though. T-Rex was really big and quick. In fact, it was as big as a bus. And it could run as fast as one. How heavy was a T-Rex? A fully grown T-Rex was really heavy. It weighed as much as 4 rhinos. It walked on 2 huge legs, and it used its large head to balance its very long tail. T-Rex had 2 arms, and while they may look small, they were very powerful. And featured 2 clawed fingers. Yikes! What did T-Rex eat? It was most definitely a carnivore. That means it ate meat from other dinosaurs. No plants here. T-Rex had huge teeth. Its teeth were the largest found from any carnivorous dinosaur, around 30 centimeters long. It had the most powerful bite of any land animal ever. A T-Rex had growth spurts, just like humans do. When T-Rex hit the age of 14, it would put on loads of weight, around 600 kilograms a year over the next 4 years. 600 kilograms is how much a large polar bear weighs. T-Rex had really good eyesight, and it could see 4 times as far as humans. No need for glasses here. Do you know what Tyrannosaurus Rex means? It means king of the Tyrant Lizards, because it was the most famous of a group of ferocious dinosaurs. T-Rex was found in North America, just like the giant Brachiosaurus, but not at the same time. It lived about 75 million years ago in the late Cretaceous period. Cretaceous. So they would have been neighbours with Triceratops, but they weren't friends. So what have we learned? We learned T-Rex was as big and quick as a bus. And it weighed as much as 4 rhinos. It walked on 2 legs and used its huge head to balance its very long tail. T-Rex had 2 small arms that were surprisingly powerful. It was a carnivore, which means it ate meat, not plants. It had the biggest teeth found in any carnivore, and it had the most powerful bite of any land animal ever. A T-Rex had growth spurts. When it turned 14 years old, it started putting on about 600 kilograms a year for 4 years. It could see really well. No glasses here. Tyrannosaurus Rex means king of the Tyrant Lizards. And it was found in North America, just like Brachiosaurus. It lived about 75 million years ago in the Cretaceous period, alongside Triceratops. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing Tyrannosaurus Rex, the most famous of all the dinosaurs. To learn about more dinosaurs, please click subscribe or click the links at the end of this video. Bye, Tyrannosaurus Rex!